Did you had any idea that Tesla stock will grow 50% this year as per Elon Musk has consistently communicated his trust in Tesla's normal development in the midst of reactions and various barricades? Tesla is by all accounts exclusively centered around promoting the organization's advancement. You definitely would have zero desire to miss this data over a multi-year skyline. We hope to accomplish 50 normal yearly development. In vehicle conveyances, the pace of development will rely upon our hardware limit, processing plant uptime, functional proficiency, and the limit and security of the store network. Tesla expressed in the final quarter of 2020, while Chief Elon Musk and CFO Zachary Kirkhorn have shown that the 50 development target is a long-term normal and a few years will see quicker development while different years see more slow development. Tesla appeared to repeat that 50 development target explicitly for 2022 in January 2022. In April 2022 and in July 2022, Tesla creation and conveyance tracker Troy Tesla has reasoned that Tesla is still prone to accomplish its 50 creation development target, 70 likely as per Troy, yet that the organization is very far-fetched to accomplish its 50 conveyance development target. Twitter client Troy Test said in a tweet, "Greetings everyone, Tesla's direction during the current year is 50 development underway and conveyances. To accomplish that, they would require 1,404,333 conveyances in 2022, which implies 495,760 in Q4. That won't occur anyway. They actually have a shot at accomplishing 50 development underway in the new Q3 profit call." Tesla said that it expected to miss its vehicle conveyance focus on this year, yet minimized worries about mellowing interest after its income missed money road gauges. Tesla president Elon Musk let experts know that there was phenomenal interest in the final quarter, tending to financial backers, worries that purchasers could be put by the powerless worldwide economy, and exorbitant costs for test vehicles down anyway. Tesla said some coordinated operations difficulties would endure with final quarter conveyances becoming by under 50%, while creation rose 50%. I wouldn't agree that we're downturn confirmation, however, it's unquestionably downturn safe. Musk said beforehand Tesla had over and over said it was going for the gold this year from the 172 vehicles it conveyed in 2021. Tesla CFO Zachary Kirkhorn said in the call, "As we look forward, our arrangements show that we're on target for the 50 yearly development underway this year, despite the fact that we are following inventory network gambles with which are unchangeable. As far as we might be concerned," Kirkhorn communicated that on the conveyance side, they expected to be just shy of 50 development because of an expansion in the quantity of vehicles on the way toward the year's end. This implies that again you ought to expect a hole among creation and conveyances in Q4. Kirkhorn added, "Still," Musk said, "we are very certain of an extraordinary Q4, and we expect to keep on developing our vehicle creation deals conveyances by a normal 50% a year as far into the future as we can see." Tesla VP of Financial Backer Relations Martin Vicha suggested one of the conversation starters from the investors on whether Tesla actually expects 50 annualized development for a long time to come. Musk addressed, "We accept that Tesla will keep on developing conveyances and income creation at a 50 or more prominent accumulate yearly development rate in a portion of our out-year arranging. We see potential yearly development rates that are more than 50% a few days prior." Tesla detailed income of $1.05 versus 99 pennies for each offer changed expected in light of examiners surveyed by Refinitiv, and income of $21.45 billion versus $21.96 billion expected per Refinitiv. Tesla's net gain gap for Q3 2022 arrived at $3.33 billion, with auto net edges holding consistent at 27.9%, precisely where it remained in the second quarter of 2022. During a similar period last year, Tesla revealed $1.62 billion in benefits. The automaker had a working free income of $3.3 billion last quarter and expanded its money equilibrium to a record $21 billion. That said, Tesla is extending quick in spite of worldwide monetary nerves and financial backers are intently looking for signs that shopper request is cooling as expansion floods and loan fees move. In a client note, Wedbush expert Daniel Ives composed this quarter was not rainbows and roses, and it leaves financial backers needing more from Tesla, which is held to a better quality than each and every other automaker. Wedbush expert Daniel Ives wrote in a client note, as per Ives, Tesla should now demonstrate again to the road that the vigorous development story is running into a heap of planned operations issues, rather than request relaxing with EV rivalry coming from all points all over the planet. Tesla's Q3 deals report, which confirmed one more quarter of record creation and conveyances, made sense of the lower than normal conveyances. Just like a consequence of Tesla's switching around its strategies designs in Q3, we started progressing to an all the more even territorial blend of vehicle fabricates every week, which prompted an expansion in vehicles and travel. Toward the finish of the quarter, these vehicles have been requested and will be conveyed to clients upon landing in their objective anyway. Money Road didn't answer well to the second from last quarter numbers, and the stock cost endured a shot after their delivery specialists trust that in spite of the fact that Tesla's profit bounced back, it will miss the 50 development focus in July. Tesla said it was all the while holding back nothing of 50 development from the 936,000 vehicles it conveyed in 2021 yet, with 2/4 of frustrating conveyances brought about by inventory network issues and coronavirus-related closures in China. It would have been a scope to hit that objective for 2022. The EV organization had recently revealed it conveyed 344,000 vehicles in the second from last quarter, a record for the organization, and up 42% from a year prior. Yet it would have expected to convey one more other 495,000 vehicles in the final quarter to raise a ruckus around town development target. Still, Tesla stays to have a small portion of the deals of laid out automaker. Specialists say it is by a long shot the most significant automaker on the planet, with more than the 10 biggest automakers. As far as deals volumes, its fast speed of development is something driving that grand stock valuation. Go to Moo to see precisely the way that Tesla stock will perform. Connection in bio. Anyway, Tesla shares were down around 6% in pre-market, exchanging the day after the organization delivered its Q3 profit results. Specialists accept that the following test confronting Tesla will come as Musk's arrangement to buy Twitter works out in the following couple of weeks. Musk has proactively sold 17.6 million portions of Tesla stock, raising $15.4 billion since declaring his consent to purchase Twitter. However, it's supposed he'll need to offer more to raise everything of money he'll require. This has been a wellspring of worry for Tesla financial backers for some time now, in a reaction to a journey question about whether it could at any point check out to consolidate Tesla, SpaceX, and Twitter into a solitary combination with different parts. Musk excused the thought as arriving at, he said he's energized by the possibilities for Twitter, saying it has an enormous potential to be more significant than the $44 billion he and accomplices will be paying for it, despite the fact that he surrendered. Myself and different financial backers are clearly overpaying for Twitter. Right, all in all, Musk is certain that Tesla will grow 50 this year, particularly since numerous Tesla projects are well in progress. As a matter of fact, Tesla leaders tended to an expansive scope of inquiries during the said income call, including large-scale monetary worries. Musk additionally discussed the semi-creation through the